What's going on? JakeOfALL here, and in this video, I got something new from Dennis. But first, I gotta convince my camera girl to hide a bunch of names in these drawers so that we can pick a winner for the Dennis Smallbone giveaway that we started in the last video about the bit stackers. So, without hesitation, let's switch the cameras around.
Oh boy. Okay.
Yeah, you just pick whichever drawer, and then I'll get a kit out here. Which drawer is she gonna put it in?
Well, I can put one in each one, right?
You can do whatever you want. This is up to you.
Good. Oh, these are hard to open.
That's so they don't open on your pack out.
Jack myself up.
The lovely Vanna White.
Okay.
All right, so let's go ahead and let's. So you might have seen in the Dennis Smallbone video about the bit stackers, which are the bins for the drawers, right? There is a lot of different bit bin ideas, and the original bit bin, right, came from a design from a guy named Benjamin Johnson, and this is what they look like, also known as Electron Smith. And I've been printing these. Dennis prints them. A bunch of other people print these. Dennis came up with the bit stackers, but he also came up with something else. And let me show you, right? So I typically put something like this in here. You put some long bits. But a couple people have asked us, and Dennis beat me to it. Don't peek. To be able to put bits in the center. So here you go, right? So it's the regular bit idea. It's the bin, center bin idea. Combine the two together. And here you've got bit bins that fit in the center. So now your center can be just as organized as your sides. As you can see, these are ones that we do, right? Jigsaws, all this. But now he's using the same concept. And here I did some crescent nut drivers. And now you can keep your center just as organized as your side ones. And what Dennis did... Dennis. So, because of the fact that you wouldn't be able to get down there, there's a little bit of space in the bottom. And what I did is I used that space for these countersink bits, the extra drill bits, the Allen wrenches. All that can fit in there, and watch this. It will close, and it doesn't interfere. It doesn't grind onto that, and it's not going to wedge underneath that. And just like these bit bins, they fit the lid. They're not going to rattle around now, and they're, you know, well organized. So, like I said, Dennis designed these, right? So he took what was a great idea, made it even better, got it working in these drawers. They stack, hence bit stacker. There's one SDS, and he adapted the design and now has the centers. So you can check out Dennis Smallbone Prints, and in actuality, whatever, big word that doesn't make a difference. I'm gonna put in the description a coupon code for I think it's 10% off on his website. So go into the description, check out Dennis's website, DennisSmallbonePrints.com. It's on the back, some information. I will put all of that in the description of this video. But also, the reason why I keep showing these drawers is because in the PACKOUT horror video, we said we were going to do a giveaway on one of these products. And what we do is we get you a coupon code that we're going to go ahead and send one winner who answered the questions right. And if you guys saw the beginning of the video, my lovely camera assistant hid. So I'm going to get a kid. Lincoln! Hey, so I got a job for you. You know how drawers work, right? You pull a drawer open. So here, open this drawer. You see a piece of paper in there?
No.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this kid. This is Fire Creeper. Check out his YouTube, Fire Creeper Gamer. All right, he plays games and does crazy stuff that kids do. All right, there's your plug. That was your payment. That's good. So what I need you to do is, not yet, but we're going to pick out of these drawers. You're going to open it up and look for a piece of paper, and then you're going to hand that piece of paper to me, and that's going to be who's the winner of a coupon from Dennis Smallbone. You're going to help me with that? And then you're going to go cut the grass?
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you want to say anything to the camera, or do you just want to look?
I wanna look.
Okay, go for it.
I need 4.
Michael Sellis. That's our winner. Woo! I sorry I don't have confetti or popcorn. But Michael, email us, orders@JakeOfALL.com, and I will, yeah, you go. Go away. Good job, helper. I will get you your coupon code on Dennis's website. And again, as the point of the video, check these out. Dennis is the designer on these. They fit your low profile. I think he's also working something for the standard profile. You can see you got the bit holder, you got the bin, you can put stuff in the bottom. So you could use the bottom to store some extra screws, whatever. It's a nice little complete setup to organize your center. What else can you ask for is organization, because we're all OCD like that. So I'm going to go ahead and head out of here because I think I've got something planned at a beach with maybe some margaritas. So I'm going to go. And I appreciate you all watching. And, you know, it's time for me to... I forget what I'm supposed to say because it's so organized. You guys see how organized this is?
It's not organized over here, though.
Turn, show this. All right, come on. It's time for us to pack out.
Pack out!
Don't hit stop. You're still recording. You know why? Because you got to click here. And then you click here. And then subscribe. And click, 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 click. Ring the bell. Thanks for watching. Bye.